there she goes! Oh, Wiggles chased her!
Wiggles!
Hey, assistant, let's check out some new Incredibles toys.
Yeah! Uh-oh! They're gone!
They're gone! Good, the toys from Incredibles too! Where did they go?
I don't know. Ooh, we gotta look for them.
We gotta go find them.
The gorillas, they have the Incredibles toys.
How can you tell? What are they in?
A giant bubble.
A giant bubble?
Yeah.
Wait a minute! They do have them! Assistant! How are we gonna get them?
We're gonna go in.
No, we can't! They'll see you! We're gonna have to have you hide.
Wait until they go to sleep.
Do you think they'll go to sleep?
Well, they have to.
Alright, let's go. Let's go over here by the backboard, okay?
Okay.
Let's hide. Alright, assistant.
Hide under the slide.
Let's hide under the slide. Okay, ready?
Ready.
So
we gotta wait.
You gotta wait for them to go to sleep, okay? So I see him looking over. Oh, it looks like they're getting tired.
That was quick.
Well, gorillas sleep like a lot, so.
Now we should go.
Okay, wait a minute. Let's see. Do you think they're really asleep? People at home, do you think they're asleep?
Let me see.
They're getting tired. All right. So,
Maybe
okay,
they're telling spooky camps.
why don't you sneak in? Try to get them. I'm gonna hide right here. Here's the assistant. Do you have one?
Yeah. I'll get the rest.
No, let's go look at that toy first.
Okay.
Hurry, before they wake up.
Gonna wake up soon.
Wait, I think they're waking up.
Go, hide.
No, let's go look at that toy.
We gotta go.
Sorry, gorillas, we gotta go look at the Incredibles toy.
Yeah. Go.
Let's go over here.
Oh, so they don't see us.
Yeah, let's go in front of this Toys R Us box for.
Okay.
All right, assistant.
Okay. Sitting in a ball pit. We got Jack, it looks like.
You did get Jack, baby Jack.
Let's open it.
Oh, good job. So here, I'll help open it. Why don't you show us how you can juggle?
Juggle?
Yeah, you can juggle, right?
I can do the floss.
So show me how you can juggle. Oh, show me how you can do the floss. Wait a minute, aren't you supposed to stand up for the floss?
Yes.
Good job, boy. Look at the assistant go.
You just do this. Go down, up, down, go over, down, and repeat.
Good job. Oh, that's pretty fun. All right, we gotta open up this toy.
Okay, let's go.
So our baby Jack, right? All right, let me see. I'll help you open it.
Okay,
So you want to try to juggle some more?
I can only do 2.
People at home, can you juggle? Would you like to learn how to juggle?
I have a juggling book that I got for Christmas.
Really? It's a book? You have to juggle the book itself?
No, it teaches you how to juggle.
Oh, really? Is it a good teacher?
Look, I haven't read it yet, but I'll read it soon.
Here's baby Jack.
Yeah, Jack. It's like his little hair piece. It's sticking up with hairspray.
Oh, and he's got a bottle. And he's got like a little
Cape?
superhero blanket or burpee,
That's
right?
cape. That's what? Oh, yeah.
I think it's a little Jack
I think
blanket.
it's a blanket.
And in here is a passing.
A pacifier.
It's like shaped like a
It's
raccoon.
a raccoon. The raccoon from The Adventures of the Assistant Wiggles.
Oh, like Rowdy Raccoon?
Rowdy Raccoon. Yeah.
Oh, wow. I guess he's making friends with him. And then here's his little mask.
Oh,
Because he's
I
a
want to put on
superhero.
his mask. It has like sticky stuff on it.
That's kind of sticky. Oh, it sticks right to him. Let me see him.
He's so cute.
Oh, look at little baby Jack. Those gorillas, they shouldn't have taken Jack.
Oh, I have just the thing to hold all of this stuff.
Here, you take that and let me see.
Do you want me to get a baby bag thing?
So show Jack, and here's his little blankie.
Blanket.
I like how his little Incredibles logo on it, don't you?
Yep. so he can be like his mom and dad.
And then you might want to give him a little bit of his bottle, because little baby Jack Jack is awful thirsty. Baby Jack Jack, drink, 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 drink.
Drink, drink, drink. You're not
But assistant,
anymore.
we've got more toys. So you got to sneak back in. So let's leave Jack Jack right there.
I'll have him fall asleep.
Good job. Now hand me the paper right there. That's right there. The part of the box.
Okay.
Good job. All right. Let's see if those gorillas are back asleep, because we've got to go get the rest of the toys, right?
Yeah. Let's see. They might be awake, so we might have to hide.
Now, wait a minute. So little baby Jack Jack's asleep, right?
Yeah. With
Good
his
night,
mask
Jack
on.
Jack.
He loves his mouse.
He loves the ball pit too, right?
Right, that's why I put him in the ball pit.
All right. Let's go look and see where those gorillas are doing.
They're awake. The gorillas aren't asleep.
Wait a minute. I got an idea. I'm gonna sing Rockabye Baby.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. Rock-a-bye baby, rock-a-bye gorillas on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock.
I don't think they're falling asleep. They're actually reading the Incredibles book. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it did work. They're getting sleepy again.
Oh,
Duh. Yeah, good idea. Since I'm gonna hide behind this tree. All right. You get down low. I'm gonna hide behind this tree. I think they're asleep.
except
Crawl, assistant, crawl. Ready? Just barely go inside. I'm gonna watch you from right here.
Okay.
She's inside. The gorillas, are they asleep? So they're there. Look, it looks like Wiggles is in there. There's the assistant. What's she doing? What's she doing? She's telling Wiggles not to bark. She's telling Wiggles not to bark. Don't bark, Wiggles. Sorry, she's got another toy. She's got another toy.
Okay, I got it. This one, the gorilla was touching, and I got it without waking up.
Good job. Oh, it's the Elastigirl Motorcycle. Let's open that up and we're gonna run that
I'm so
across the
excited.
bridge.
Look at the back of the box. So, wait.
Oh, they woke up because they heard it.
We gotta go. Which way?
Whoa.
They noticed. They noticed.
Whoa.
Oh, Jack's still asleep.
Jack's still asleep. All right.
Hi, Jack. Your mommy's here. So I'll set Jack out.
Yeah, look, Jack. It's
Your mommy.
It's Elastigirl, right?
Right. Let's take off. See?
And she's got a motorcycle.
A motorcycle.
All right, so we're gonna play with this toy, right? I'm gonna open up. Oh, you're wearing the mask? You're wearing Jack's little mask?
It's sticky, so you can wear it anywhere. Let's open it.
Let's open up the toy, assistant. Are you excited for this?
Yeah, I've been wanting to open it. This is probably the whole reason why I wanted to do this video, because it's so cool.
Yeah. And then the gorillas would have took it, right?
Yeah, by the way, this is not how we planned the video.
I know, those silly gorillas, what were they thinking? What about that bubble fort? How are they in there? Now, it's real important to know, people at home, it's got a special fan in it, right, assistant?
Right. We just set that out so we could play in it.
Yeah, so you can't just get inside any kind of bubble fort like that, right?
Not like a plastic bag.
Yeah, no, so this is very special, so it works specially, right?
Right. Rock-a-bye. Get that mask off. Rock-a-bye, Jack on the treetop. Wait, he's gonna go down the slide. Woo! Oops.
Hey, assistant, so here she is. Here's Elastigirl on her motorcycle.
But before we launch her, we gotta put her helmet on.
That's right, we got
Safety first.
Safety first. Oh look, Wiggles came back out.
Yeah, he probably didn't want to be with those gorillas.
Yeah, he realized that crime doesn't pay for gorillas.
Crime doesn't.
So assistant, you're gonna so you do that, and then you turn the top. And there she goes! Oh, Wiggles chased her!
Wheels!
Should we do that again?
Yeah, put it in slow motion.
Yes. So let's try that one more time.
Okay, ready? Wheels move.
You ran away the Wiggles. Wiggles, what are you doing, Wiggles? Alrighty, let's do it.
Look, and even if you take her off, her arms are stretchy.
Oh, her arms are stretchy, right?
Right. Okay, so I put her back on her motorcycle. She has her helmet. Now let's get her into place and start steering.
Whoa, and there goes Wiggles!
That's funny.
Wiggles, you silly doggy. Alright, let's try it.
What about backwards?
What? Well,
No.
I don't think it goes backwards. It'll only go in one direction. So Elastigirl goes in, brings the crank, out she goes, and there goes Wiggles.
It's kind of like Wiggles' schedule. Like, every time we launch it, he's ready. Oops.
Wiggles loves the Elastigirl motorcycle, right?
Yeah, and even if she falls off, she stays on.
That's a good point.
Okay, get her feet in the right place.
So one more launch, and then we are...
This is gonna be a good one.
Oh, it's lit right out. Wiggles, what do you think about that? Here Wiggles goes back into place. Wiggles,
He started barking.
Wiggles, don't bark at it.
Oh, that wasn't very good.
Well, should we do it? We'll try it one more time.
Yeah.
Then we gotta go back and get that stuff from those gorillas.
Yeah.
All right, assistant, let's go back and get those
Gorilla.
last Incredibles toy from the
No,
gorillas.
there's two more. The Incredible book and the toy.
We'll leave the book so they
Okay,
can read,
read
right?
it.
That's fun for them to read.
Yeah.
We don't want it to...
Look, they're marching around the Incredibles toys. Duck, 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 duck.
Wait a minute, you're right. They're marching right around it.
Duck, duck.
I'm gonna get nice and low. How are we going to be able to... Wait a minute. Why don't you put Wiggles back in there, and then they'll be so distracted that they'll want to try to... Or they're falling asleep again. That's okay.
That's okay.
Put Wiggles in, and let's see what happens.
Well,
So there goes Wiggles. Wiggles is going inside. There goes Wiggles. Here's the assistant. No, assistant, you gotta hurry before they wake up.
I got it.
You did get it, assistant. Good job. Hurry, we gotta go.
Gorilla.
We gotta go.
Ah.
Wow, good job. Let's check out this Incredibles toy.
Whoa.
Oh, it's the power couple. It's Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl. You can fire them like a slingshot.
Wow.
All right, let's check this out, okay? I'll get out of the box for us. Okay, assistant, so here's Mr. Incredible, right?
Right.
And he talks even.
I think this calls for some teamwork. The villain's escaping. We gotta go.
So that's Mr. Incredible. And then right here is Elastigirl. Here's Elastigirl, so you hold Elastigirl. Wiggles, you can't hold her. Look how stretchy she is. And you know what you can do with that? Wiggles, you can use it like a slingshot. All right, assistant, you put Elastigirl's hands inside of Mr. Incredible's. One hand on one side. Nope, I think you got it backwards.
Oh, yeah, I do. Oh, it goes inside the...
It goes inside, like the inside the thumb.
Oops.
Nope, not like that.
Oh, the other way.
The other way. All right, now you put them in, and then you pull her back. Okay, so she's all loaded up. All right, so to fire her toward the box for her. Well, she fired. Let's try it one more time too, okay?
Okay, I'll go get her.
So this is the Slingshot Power Couple Incredibles toy, right?
Right.
Mr. Incredible and, is that Violet? No.
No, this is Mrs. Incredible.
What's her name though?
Elastigirl.
Oh, that's right, Elastigirl.
Right? Bob, we need to hurry and stop this thing. Bob, really?
Oh, I think you got caught in her hands. Let's try it one more time.
Okay. This hand.
There you go, there you go. you know what we should do, assistant? We should take all these toys and take them back to the gorilla so they can play with some too, right?
Yeah, we'll share.
Why don't we go share?
Okay, I'll take these and you'll take Jack.
And Wiggles is gonna take
His toy.
his reindeer toy. Wiggles, that's a reindeer toy. He doesn't care. Okay, so let's go back and share with the gorillas.
Okay.
People at home, did you have a favorite toy?
I got 'em. Gorillas, we have something for you.
We're done showing all the people at home, so now you can see the toys too. Should we go inside of it?
Yeah, can you open the door thing? Gorilla, we got something for you. Oops.
Here you go, gorillas. You each got your toys.
What? A mask! A master! Look, she never falls off!
Wow, gorillas, isn't that fun? Now you can have fun inside of your bubble fort, whatever this is,
Yeah, and read the book!
with all of the Incredibles toys. Hey, people at home, which one was your favorite? Can you leave a comment and let us know?
Let us know in the comments below!
That's right. Okay, everybody, have a great day, and make sure that your parents subscribe to the Engineering Family, right?
Right!
Bye, everyone!
Bye! Girls, let's play with these toys!
Hey there, everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!